Bright Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title above, today I am doing a review on the Prada bag. There it is. Oh my gosh, guys, this crossbody bag has been amazing. I've had it for months now and it's really great. It's beautiful. It's great for every day. You can make it casual, you can make it classy, you can make it dressy. So this is how you can wear it as a crossbody. It has like this little pouch, as you guys can see here. It has the Prada logo, and here I am just putting it on, and that's the length of it. You can actually adjust it obviously to your height. I am a bit taller, as you guys know. I am 5'8", so this is how it would look on you if you're like 5'8", depending on how you adjust it. So this pouch right here, I usually put like credit cards or like you know, any cards that I need, my driver's license and stuff like that. It fits in there really well, but you can't put too much because it's pretty small as well. It gets a little bit you know, crowded in there. But yeah, so the straps say Prada on them, so which is great. I really like that they have the logo there, and then also on the back as well. I love the all black with the silver. It's really perfect. And then this is the bag itself, like the main part. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. It's literally just space for you to put your stuff. That's it. Like, there's no pockets in there. It has a logo, as you can see, but other than that, it's just space. So when you put your stuff in there, there's not really a way to organize that, but I guess that's up to you as well. Maybe you can add something to separate the space, because I know people get really creative with stuff like that. But yeah, this is the bag. Absolutely amazing bag, great quality, and very chic. So this is another thing that comes with it. So it's another strap, but it's a chain, a silver chain. So basically you can change the straps on there. You see how that was for the crossbody, but you can take it off. As you can see, you just, you know, do that to take it off. Easy, really easy to take off and put back on. And you can replace that with the silver chain. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that to show you guys how it will look.
My skin, I begin